Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your file, save a copy so edits are reversible. Then select the exact range, cells, a sheet, or the entire workbook, because Excel checks only the active selection. Open the Review tab and confirm proofing options are enabled. This ensures language and autocorrect are available. Once done, click Spelling to start. Excel will stop at each potential error so you can decide, skip, or change. This gives you control over automated fixes and preserves intent. Now run the spelling tool and act on each prompt. Accept a suggestion to replace text, change all for repeated mistakes, or ignore once when context matters. If terms are industry-specific, add them to a custom dictionary so future checks skip them. This saves time. Also check language settings for multilingual data and manually inspect formulas, comments, and hidden cells because Excel's checker may not catch syntactic issues there. Make sure to rerun after major edits to confirm consistency. Complete the pass by reviewing auto-correct entries and the exceptions list. This prevents unwanted automatic substitutions later. Use F7 as a quick shortcut to repeat a full workbook check and rerun after bulk edits so nothing slips through. If the checker stops or reports nothing when errors exist, troubleshoot. Verify proofing language matches content, ensure proofing add-ins are enabled, and confirm cells aren't formatted as text incorrectly. If problems persist, restart Excel. This clears transient issues and reloads proofing components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.